Hello and welcome. My name's Kerry Grizzle, and welcome to today's podcast of self care. I'm going to talk about three key things to understand about the law of attraction. The law of attraction was first popularized in the 2006 movie The Secret by Esther and Jerry Hicks. It has had a huge impact on the mass consciousness that there's still a large amount of confusion on its general application. So here's some tips, three key things to understand how law of attraction works. Number one, it's about vibration, not thoughts. The main idea behind the law of attraction is that people manifest their reality not through their thoughts, but through their vibration. The universe will respond to the energy generated by a particular thought as opposed to the thought itself. So you need to first get yourself into a good mood somehow before you're able to manifest that energy of what you really want. After a while, the vibration becomes a reward and the material items just appear after the fact. Okay, number two, letting go of resistance. The level of internal resistance people have to the things that they want is not understood. People can have certain problems or issues, and then they create an identity of themselves out of those problems. When something comes along that is at odds with our idea of ourselves as inferior in some way, we resist. This can be observed when people win the lottery and wind up homeless 10 years later. We have to be a vibrational match to a new reality and not to be attached to our former convictions. Otherwise, nothing will change. Many people are resistant to the idea of law of attraction, and we will refuse to believe existence could be so simple. Will then continue to struggle believing that it is just how life is. Number three, don't get precise. It is important to understand the vibrational equivalent of what you want. You can have an image or a feeling about what you want that makes you feel good. But as you get more precise about how it is supposed to manifest, the universe has fewer ways that it can give it to you. There are millions of ways to get rich, but you can only possibly contemplate one or two methods, which would involve years of work and hard labour. Consider that every successful person has vastly changed their business models, and they do so regularly. They might have a general idea about where they want to go, but they definitely innovate and change as these opportunities present themselves. So get happy and positive about the future, but don't get too precise on how it will materialize. I hope you enjoyed that podcast today, all about the law of attraction. See you in the next one.